Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now we are going to discuss, we are continuing the topic on dictionaries. So dictionaries, we already discussed what is dictionary and how we can declare the dictionary, what is empty dictionary, how we assign the values to the dictionary. These things we discussed. Now I want to discuss something more on these dictionaries. So what is the properties of dictionaries? So your properties mainly, the first one is duplicate keys should not be there. Duplicate keys should not be there. And the second thing is in the dictionary, the elements are order independent. Order independent. The third point is key can be integer or string or tuple, and key should not be list. Why? Because the list is a mutable, whereas int, string, tuple are the immutable. So that's why key should not be list. So these are the immutable. Dictionary can be used for counting the and finding the number of iteration elements. So here dictionaries is also used for counting number of iterations of letters. Okay, now take an example. Counting of count in the dictionary. So let us say A is equal to dict. This is also same as declaring of the empty dictionary, and some list 1 is equal to suppose some Anil, comma Sunil, comma and again Anil and Varun. Let us say this is a list. For I in list 1, if I in A of I is equal to A of I plus 1, else A of I equal to A of I, and print A. The output is here Anil is 2 times, right? And whereas Sunil is only 1 time, whereas Varun is only 1 time. So this is output. And there is a another methodology is there. Some get method is there. So for count purpose, we can use is another method. So this is another method, also called get method. So just take the same thing here up to here, copy and paste, and here A I is equal to A dot get I comma 0 plus 1. So instead of if statement, we can write like this, and print A. So output is same. So here also output is same. So like this we can get the values. And suppose how we can retrieve the elements in the list in the dictionary. Let us say one dictionary. We can take this is one dictionary, example dictionary I am taking here. A is equal to this is a dictionary. Try to print A. So we are getting the same value, right? If you try to print list of A, then it prints only these values, like only these values, like copy, like this it prints. If you try to print A dot keys, here also it prints same thing it will print here. So if you try to print A dot values, then it prints 2 comma 1 comma 1. If you try to print A dot items, then it prints entire thing as a tuple, like so the output will be in between, it will print like this, one tuple will be print. So Sunil comma 1 comma, so like this it prints. So this way the values output will be, suppose actually this is a key value pair, right? So if you write like this, let us say for I comma j in A dot items, print I I comma j. Output is first it will print Anil to Sunil 1 Varun 1. So like this output will be prints. Now try to discuss hands on about this one. So now just open Notepad plus. Okay, here, yeah, try to understand this one. Okay, here copy and paste. Okay, now save dict to .py. Now try to, okay, we'll try to see the output. Okay, let's go to the command prompt. Now Python dict to. Okay, we'll see invalid syntax in the line 4. Okay, there are 2 times in came, right? Yeah, now here so I, right? I in, yeah. The line 7. What is the line 7? Yeah, see, so this is output. Now see another method. The another method how they written, just see the same thing. It is written, yeah. Just see how it is printed. Now, now just commenting all these things. Now dictionary. Just save. Now just up arrow, enter. Here also output is same. Just see. The output is same. So instead of this if statement, we can directly write a get method. So this is a method we can directly follow. Okay. So this is another method of counting the how many number of times key is coming. Right. This is a way how to understand. Okay. And now we try to understand all the values. Okay. These are the things. Just try to see and just try to see the values. So already we got right. We can just comment it. Now just see. Yeah. Anyway, this is the output, first one, and print a two times it came right. So this one is print list a is list. Keys means also same, and values also this one, and items are this is the items in the form of tuple. So this is the output. Okay. Now try to understand. So if you try to print this one, so what is the output? See, and just see up arrow and enter. Just see. So until 2, yeah, this is the way we can get the items print. Yeah, hope you understand.